My baby, my Valentine. If you leave me a good time, I swear you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Love will do